we're back. You can see me right there. Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna actually follow the instructions here so I don't mess anything up. So it's saying to fill the tank with water, which is what I already did. Turn the machine on. The machine is already on, as you can see with the button there. I'm gonna actually open this up because that was for my cleaning. So I'm going to put my Starbucks mug coffee actually here in on the cup holder here, just right under where the spout is, as you can see. That's the spout. Now I'm going to put my capsule, which is the Stormio one, like so. Screen into here. Perfect. And it says to close. Oh, okay, that was, I didn't even use it. Okay, close. Okay, I'm having a little bit of trouble. Okay, let me put you guys down for 2 seconds. Okay, I'm struggling with this a little bit right now. So close and lock. Okay, so you really have to push down hard and lock it to make sure that it works and closes. So now that that's down, I am going to now press the button here at the top to make my coffee. Now it really makes this weird vibrating sound, and that's just because it's spinning on the inside to make your coffee. So don't be alarmed by the sound. I was alarmed, but I'm not anymore because I know that's exactly the sound it's supposed to make. And as you can see, coffee is coming out. Look at that. So perfect. Ta-da! And this is my coffee. That is so cool. It smells so good. Yay! So I have my first Nespresso coffee in my Starbucks cup, which is very contradicting, but I'm gonna taste it first without adding sugar or milk or anything, so just to get the flavor. Now, the Nespresso cups do have like intensity levels of flavoring and stuff like that. Stormio, I believe, was an 8 on the box that I got when in the capsule box there. So it does have a really strong flavor. Yeah. Oh yeah. I know with milk and sugar, this will be bomb.com. Bomb.com. This is 100. So I'm gonna make note of the ones that I really like on my capsule box, and I'm gonna mark off Stormio. And when you buy an espresso, you actually get a $20 coffee credit, so I'll be able to purchase new pods, new capsules, sorry, with my $20 credit. So I'm so happy. If you saw me earlier make a little mistake when I was trying to close this, you would have noticed that the pod actually went into the capsule part. So I'm going to show you how that happens. Just unlock it. It's going to open, and you see the pod there. Watch this. Isn't that so cool? It just goes in there automatically. So I don't have to do anything. I don't have to take it out with my hand because it's going to be really hot. So I don't need to touch anything hot with hot water, any hot products. And it goes in there. And it just discards it for me. Hi guys, so how did you like that demonstration? I thought that it was really cool, and when I watched the reviews, I knew that this was something that I really liked. But another thing as well that is really cool is Nespresso is also very eco-friendly. Nespresso also provided me with this really cool reusable bag. Looks like this. I got it today when I went to go get my $20 credit for joining and registering to the Nespresso family, the little club. And essentially, when you actually finish with all of your pod, like let's say if it fills up and it needs to be discarded, you can actually recycle them and reuse them. And I can actually take my bag of pods back to the Nespresso store and they will recycle them. But also another thing that I really want to try is I saw online that you can actually reuse the pod capsules yourself and fill it with your own ground coffee and actually make your own makeshift pod. So if I do end up doing it, I'll definitely record it so you guys can see. But I thought that was really interesting. When I did a little bit of research, I saw that people were actually like reusing the pods and buying their own ground coffee, putting it into the capsule itself and making a new pod and using that. I was like, whoa, that is very ingenious, and it's a good way to reuse it instead of taking it back to the store and stuff like that. So yeah, if I decide to do that, I will definitely show you guys. But thank you for watching this video of my Nespresso review. I'm using my phone, so I apologize for any quality problems you guys, or if you guys had any. I hope this was good. I hope you could hear me clearly. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel for more videos like this, lifestyle videos, and also fashion, hair videos as well. And please ensure that you share this with others so they can join the Nespresso fam with me as well. I really love it. It's honestly the best, and I can't wait to continue using it. But yeah, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!